Hi everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and I hope this video finds all of you safe and healthy in these uncertain times. I have worn yellow today just to brighten up my day. Anyway, I'm going to do a project that doesn't require any purchase of SVGs or anything. It's just type, but it's a motto that I've been living with in the past few weeks, and I just thought I'd share it. I'm going to do it both on the Cricut and on Silhouette. And if you do it, I would love for you to share it with us to see how you do this project. But it reflects what's going on today in our crazy world with this COVID-19. All right, let's get started. We're on Cricut. I'm going to open a new project. Like I said, this is just type, so I'm going to say times are tough, but we are. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. And I'm going to put this on a white shirt, which is a size small, and it's going to be 6 inches wide. And I'm going to use ARG font. Times are tough, but we are. Now with a new text, I'm going to write tougher. Right. I want this to be 6 inches, and I want this to be 6 inches. See up here at the top, I'm putting the width as 6 also. And now I'm going to duplicate tougher a couple of times. I don't know how many I'll need, but we'll just do it a few times. And then over here on the right side, I'm going to hide some of them. And let's put them in a color. That's their bold. That's ARG bold. You know, I want something bolder, so I'm going to try. I think Microsoft has a good one. Yeah, Microsoft Sans Serif. That gives a little bit more heft to it. Might be easier to weed. All right, now let's select all. Oh, that's just about perfect. Maybe move that up a little bit. All right, now let's see. One more time. This is, let's do it, 6 by 6. Okay, we're going to save this as tough. All right, now let's go into Silhouette. I have the business edition, but you can do this with, obviously, with the free or the designer, because it's just copy. Okay, let's go into Silhouette, go on to our text, and say, times are tough, but we are. Let's go into ARG first. I think they have ARG on this also. I'm just learning silhouettes, so you all have to bear with me. Pens are tough, but we are tougher. Again, we're going to go into ARG. Probably would have been smarter to duplicate it once I get it to the size I want, right? That's what we'll do. All right, and how about some color? I'm going to cut these and then we'll make it. Be with you in a minute, guys. Stay safe. Okay, we're going to make this now. I'm going to make it on the Cricut because I'm more familiar with the Cricut. First, I'm going to color sync these colors so we can see them and they'll all be on one mat. We're going to make this with HTV, so we're going to remember, first of all, to mirror everything. So let's get these puppies where we need them. Alrighty, let's go to the heat press. You know, I'm trying really hard not to be sad during this video, but I am. This COVID-19 is frightening, but crafting helps because it lets us express ourselves and might even get the kids to help us and keep them out from underfoot and busy. Okay, my heat press is set about 315. Mine fluctuates between 314 and 317. I'm going to give this shirt, it's a size small Gildan t-shirt, long sleeve. I'm going to give it a quick press where the application area is. And we're going to find the center line, of course. All right, our shoulder and side seams are together. We're going to give that a quick press, just a few seconds. And that gives us that lovely center line. All right, this is the copy that we did from the scrap vinyl. Came out perfectly. With an adult t-shirt, you want to come about 3 fingers down from the top, at least 3, maybe 4. And I'm going to fold this half in half with the non-sticky side together. And that'll give me a center line. 3 to 4 fingers, about 3 fingers down. Just 3 to 5 seconds because we're going to be pressing it again. And one final press, just to make it all stick. I hope everyone is well. We'll get through this together. Okay. Times are tough, but we're tougher. Bye, guys. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.